Halo guys, hari ini kita mau unboxing NBA trading card seri 2022-2003. Oke, semoga hari ini beruntung. Ini dapat dari oleh-oleh dari eBay US from Panini. Ya, boxnya gambarnya cat home green dari Thunder. Ya, semoga kita dapat kartu yang bagus. Cekidot. Oke guys. Oke, kita siapa? Fashion Panels. Oke nih. Americans. Jade. Hardy. Wow, dapat carry Brooklyn Nets. Oke, kita dapat hologram Lori McKinney from the Gaes 24. Oh, look at this. Dari McKinney. Nah ya guys. Kita dapat Moses Moody from Warriors. Okay. Like it. Woo. We got Kawhi. Enak. Good one, bro. Okay. And then Jones. And then Ben Simmons from Portland. And then Eric Garden. Julius Randle. Okay. Trae Young. Oh, my favorite, bro. Okay, the next we got J.B. Smith, Andrew, Pacers, and then Chai Albaji, Utah Jazz. Okay, the next we got a hologram Ryan Rollins from the Warriors. Okay, and then next we have DeAndre Ayton from Suns. Okay, good player. And then again Laurie Markkanen. And then Kevin Porter Jr. Okay, good players. And then John Wall. Now in Houston, but the card still belong Clippers. And then Cameron Johnson, Suns. And then Justin Holiday. Okay, and then we got veteran Al Horford, bro. Al Horford. Yes, veteran, good players. And then Killian Hayes from Pistons. And then Will Barton, Wizard. Also this is the best one, DeMar DeRozan. Okay. Last one, Victor Oladipo. Okay, good card. Player so far. And next We got Hoop, Trevor from Cavs, Red Rookie, Lamar Jr. Oh, the Magician Zion, bro. Oh, Zion Williamson, big one. Nice. And then calling section. Wow, this is good player, bro. Oh, we got PG. Oh, nice, bro. Got Zion also, another Zen. And then we have Damian. And then we got Davis Bertans. Okay. PJ. Okay, the coolest players now in 76ers. Got Lowry. Okay, good point guard. And then Cam Reddish, Mr. Pat. Okay. Whoa. Sai, we got Sai. And then we have Franz Wagner and Tobias Harris. Okay, so far we have Colin section and Zion. I think this is good card though. Okay. Okay. From Lakers, Max Christie, rookie. Osman Dieng, rookie. Oh, Luka, nice, Luka. Feature 26, and then next we got Jalen Sykes, Patty Mills, and then Danny Green. Memphis. Calibrates. Okay. Player. This is Mini Capeza. We got Kate Cunningham. Porzingis. Now. Then John Collins, John Brown, also Stewart, and the last story Hachimura from Japan. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.